ain't never did this shit. Oh, and like it's a regular phone call.
I honestly thought you were like probably like 20 years old.
Oh, I am. Red in my mouth, girl. Hey, girls. It's your girl B Marie, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, it's currently 11:26. It's Wednesday, May 3rd. Wait, no, June 3rd. I'm tripping. I'm about to go on a couple of errands. I'm going to Walmart to pick up this banner for my mom. She don't even know. I ordered a drink yesterday. Hopefully it's ready. They ain't text me that it was ready, but hopefully they're not ready. It's not gonna off like. Y'all, child, yesterday was a long day, y'all. I had to literally make her business cards, her flyers. I had went to the store to get ink. Oh, this is cute. I'm just about to go out just looking cute. But yeah, look at these earrings. They're so cute, ain't they? I'm picking up the banner. My name is Brianna.
I just sent it through the system now.
How long would that take?
15 and 30.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm out here.
Head south.
Getting gas. I just dropped my mother off at the casino. It's currently 4:59, 5 o'clock. I'm lucky, but I look a mess. My hair looks a mess, but I'm not that kind of girl. I'll think about it. I never gave that. Had a thing on the side. What the fuck up? People, you here? Bow. Hello. Oh, thank you. All right. Prepare to enter tunnel. Oh, bitch. I ain't never did this shit before. Please place cart in neutral when loading the belt. Okay, ho. Okay, ho. Alright. Yo, this is my first time going through a freaking car wash. Y'all ready? Y'all finna experience it with me. Okay. No brakes. I take my foot off the brake. Oh, bitch. It better clean this bird poop off too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Okay, why is this bird poop not coming off? It's about to irritate me. I keep going. Come off, bro. I'm about to get like a boy. Hold the fuck up. Oh my god, the mirror. Look at the fucking mirror. From TikTok shop. Like, girl, that ain't gonna do. I'm gonna put one of these in. I'm just not gonna open it all the way because that's gonna take us out. Low key. I thought I had lost y'all. I thought I left y'all in there. But I didn't. So, y'all, my mother finally coming upstairs. She is talking about, okay, where do I meet you at? Baby, I've been calling you for the past 10 minutes. You gonna call and act like it's a regular phone call. I'm gonna take this off because this shit ain't working.
What's it? Oh, so did they have my lotion?
Mom, the last one.
Yes!
Literally the last one.
Oh my. Do I want this purple?
It's $6.49.
Okay. Do I want this purple or this kind?
That's thinner. Like, what would you want to do? What is that for?
To cover Mrs. Jefferson's thing.
Huh?
That glass thing I'm making for her.
Oh, the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
You might need to get one of those. The bigger.
Brianna?
Yes.
Do you need a bag for 10 cents?
Mm-mm.
Do you have your license on you?
Yes.
Is that the phone number that was used? That's you? Or
That's me.
okay, then yeah, we can update it.
Mm-hmm.
What's your birthday?
February 20th, 2006.
That's for your birthday.
Yeah.
Really? Like you're born in 2006 at all.
Wait a minute.
How old
For
do you think I
real?
look?
I'm 22.
We're both 22.
Oh.
So it's just crazy to just like, wow. Like,
I look y'all age or
Maybe
something?
because we don't have
you honestly do. I honestly thought you were like probably like 20 years old.
Oh, I am.
She is. Like,
Oh,
she's
well.
20 on the nose.
I'm literally on the nose.
Maybe that's what I'm saying. Maybe it's because we don't have tattoos.
I guess so.
Oh, yeah. I'm tatted.
Right,
all
you
the
have
way
tattoos.
up.
The only
Look
thing
at
I
us,
have
y'all.
is piercings.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, y'all got matching?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. That's actually cute.
And it's, I think it's probably the races too. I wasn't thinking.
Yeah, because she waited too late to get that.
What was you thinking? Like 20?
Until you pulled out your Cosmo license.
19.
Yeah, like a Cosmo student. And then you put out a license.
Yeah.
I have people come in and be like, "Oh, I'm born 2008, 2009." I'm like,
Oh yeah, now that I'd be like, oh wow.
I'm like,
You know that's like 2-3 years, but
26?
I feel like you're a child still.
25.
how is it working at a beauty supply? I've never did that.
I wonder if we look our age.
I'd say it's all right. How would you say our experience at the beauty supply has been?
Working here?
Yeah. Because I don't mind it compared to other like retail jobs, but
Oh yeah, no, compared to other, I worked at first. So yeah.
Oh,
I worked at American Eagle. It was
thank y'all. Y'all too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Can I get a crunch bagel? I mean the cinnamon crunch bagel.
Bagel.
Yes, sliced and toasted, please.
Don't want a cream cheese?
Bagel with sliced and toast and cream cheese on the side.
Mhm.
Yes. Will that be it?
Yes.
Is this for here today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Type it in right here.
When he referenced him to the dressmaker, that thing tickles me. He said, Lord, honey, he said that dressmaker gets on. He saw he ain't care, honey. He was like, yes. Yeah, you see that fool talking about something? He won 6 figures.
Everybody hugs me. Oh my god. First of all of them know me, obviously, but
So you got to scoot to the side of something.
One lane.
you had sneezes right under my nose.
One lane.
And then I got sick the next day.
But when I gave him the ad,
It was you.
It was all your fault.
It was all your fault.
Pink braces.
It's not even pink anymore.
They faded.
Ooh, she said not even.
Can you see a color?
Girl, they was pink though, but I know what color they was. So like, what are you talking about?
I'm talking because I want to talk.
Ask her braces. Say cheese braces.
If you can't see it, you can't see it.
I can't see the bottom.
Huh? Then what color is they then?
What if you had 2 different colors?
I have the same color. I don't get 2 different colors.
How was I supposed to know?
watch it.
Give me off that camera.
Oh, period.
I make like
I guess. What does that mean, Cedar? What does that mean?
We begin with the breaking news. I spoke with say they paid the tickets, but
Those press-ons? Those some thick press-ons.
They look good though.
Mm-hmm.
Don't look at my chip nails.
You just grabbed her hand.
You got me.
So you said.
Cause you said everything.
Yeah, I'm about to say you lied. You always lying.
It was you.
And we all do. We don't cough like that on a regular.
You and Chloe got me sick on Thanksgiving. Especially you because you sneezed on me. I remember. Yeah, and then you were like, at the end. Think back, think hard. Think back.
Think hard. It's just orange. Ain't no red in my mouth, girl.
Let me see red.
No, ain't no red. It's just the single ones don't look orange. Oh, you hating. Watch you be having orange next time. You wouldn't think so. Try it. I promise you it's cute.
And she said she wasn't going to do all.
It wasn't. It's not bad. You need to.
And you supposed to always go all out.
That's what you do. I've seen the.
I just girl talk about some. I want a prom birthday party.
I bet you gonna give it to her.
She probably works there. Don't be niggas.
Are they good?
Wait a minute, are they good?
It's $3. I only took 4.
Right. Oh my god, and they keep it on the ice. What?
You got silk?
Oh, you in my business. It's this. Voila.
I don't know what that
I actually did what that mean. He just laughed.
is. Is that a gangbang?
I don't know. Whatever that means. Oh, sugar.
No stopping. Raining, kill the bike, but I'm still fucking. Old told me I should put the plan, then he played the ball off, and that shit was dangerous. Boy. Like the bars of blanket, all rubber to the road, covered with the flow, gotta make it home.
They walked out the jail, I saw 6 phones. I just got out the bunk bed, 3 million cans, can't fit in my hand. Put that pussy on me, bitch, I'm fresh from out the feds. I come put that pussy on it, turn this fuck in the strip club right. Nigga, I can't fumble shit, the whole world been waiting on it. Took that knife all the way to Kid Jack the Johnny. Ain't no more outfits from Southland Mall, they set up made in London. Couple hoes that waited on me, she just acting faithful to you, trust me homie, feeling patient.
Is my camera clean? Oh, period. It wasn't even clean. Yo, we at Home Depot, y'all. Willow done started the garden. So, we're here. Getting her more flowers. Yo, she is overly excited. Let's do like an eggplant.
You disgusting.
Sorry, no. Oh, a pickle.
A what?
A dill. Wait, dills is pickles, right?
Okay, dill. It could be a dill pepper, a dill pickle.
Oh.
Parsley, sweet peppers.
These are jalapenos. Oh, that will eat.
We do use peppers, sweet peppers. Strawberry one. Okay, what's this? Is this a? Oh, that's parsley too. But but I would have to hang that somewhere.
Oh yeah,
And I
yeah.
don't have a thing to hang it. We could look on the other side to see if it's
Ones that's go on the ground.
that I could put in the ground.
Oh yeah, cause strawberries was on the on the tree, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'll come. But it's gonna it takes like less sun. So like
So you would need more water than sun.
no, it just means you'll have to put it like in the back.
Oh,
I think the fruit is on the other side.
this is gonna be cute.
Ain't it when it open?
This is making me nervous. We're just garden shopping. That's all we're doing. That's it.
Just picking stuff for the garden. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Do you think? I think this looks good.